So hello everyone. Welcome to day 4 session of C programming. In this session, we will learn about the arithmetic operator. So let's get started. Okay. So first of all, what is operator? So operators are the special symbol which are used to perform some specific logical operations. And operators are used with operands. So operands are data items, values on which we can perform something operation. So, what are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are the operators which are used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, arithmetic operations like this. Okay, so let's take an example. First, include st ai.h standard input operator file. Then our main function with return type of int. Okay, we can write a return 0. So let's say int x equals to 5. Okay, int y equals to 7. Let's say int z equals to x plus y. And we can say printf z. Okay, printf percentage d and z. Okay, printf percentage d z. Okay, so the answer is 12. So this is addition or unary plus operator. So operator are also classified on based on operand, number of operand. Those are unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator. And the arithmetic operator are binary operator. Why? Because we took two operands to perform the arithmetic operation. Let's say we have to print the difference. So we can say difference is x. Okay. So format specifier, we say format specifier percentage d, then x plus y. Okay, x minus y for the subtraction. Printf. Okay, mul. Okay, let's say multiplication value, multiplication value, multiplication quotient is d. Okay, and we can say x times y. Printf division equals to percentage d, and we can do x slash y. Okay, you can also write percentage f here, but I will write percentage d here. Okay, so printf. So division simply return the quotient, and remainder, for remainder we use percentage sign, modulo. Okay, in arithmetic operator there are unary operator also, just like plus plus, increment decrement operator. Okay, so those are also arithmetic operator. X percentage y. We see this remainder. Okay, let's run and print it. Oh, wait. Okay. slash n x minus y. For the spacing, you can do this slash n escape sequence. We will learn about escape sequence later, okay? In the later video, we will learn about the escape sequence. Okay, so now, okay, slash n, then for remainder also, let's say slash n, now run it. So you can see the values here, okay? Now for increment operation operator, let's say I plus plus. So printf current value percentage d, okay, and x equals, okay, x. And if I do printf now again current value, let's say, so printf x current value, we see the current value is 5, but if we do here x plus plus, which is pre-increment post-increment operator, so which is, you know, this is not a way. Okay, the x value is 5 because it is post increment operator. So increment and decrement operators are two types: pre-increment and post increment operator. x plus x plus plus is post increment operator, okay, increment operator. So post increment, first it prints the value, then increase. So now in next operation, again if we print the value of x, then it will be 6. So that's one and current value. So if you see the current value here, it is 6 x plus plus. Okay, you can see now the current value. Before it was 5. After first print, then increase. The value is 6. Again, what if I say plus plus x? So it is pre-increment operator. Okay. Wait. Let's run it. The current value is 6. Then this is 6. Okay. First it increases, then prints the value. So I hope you learn about the arithmetic operators, and let's write a simple program using arithmetic operators to swap two values. So let's say int x is equals to 12, y comma is also an operator in C. They are binary operators, okay. Printf, let's say, let's say before swapping before swapping, let's swap the two numbers, okay. X is equals to we say percentage d, y is equals to percentage d, okay, x comma y. Now We will do the swap. First, first x is equals to x plus y. Okay. Y is equals to x minus y, and x is equals to x minus y. Then printf, okay, slash n. After swapping, after swapping, x is equals to percentage d, y is equals to percentage d. Okay, and let's say x comma y. So we can see there, before the swapping, the value of x is 12, y is 34, and after swapping, value of x is 34, y is 12. How it works? Let's see. Okay, the first, it's add 12 plus 34. Okay, first it adds two number 12, 34. It's as both numbers. Okay, 46, 46. Okay, add next. After we do 46 according to this expression, 46 minus x minus y. So currently the x value is 46. Then y is equals to x minus y. So current x value is 46, and 46 minus we do 34. Okay, so we get the value of y 12, and again we do 46 minus y. So current value of y is 12. So 12, which gives result 34. That's how swapping works. So I hope you understand it. Thank you. So in next session, we will discuss further.